Namaskar, good evening. I am Swati Joshi and you're watching our rolling coverage on the wave of protests being witnessed in the national capital. Just after the CJP's protest and the violent clashes that were witnessed in the national capital, now Congress MPs have launched their own protest targeting government over brutalities on students. And even as Congress MPs continue their protest outside the Prime Minister's residence, the centre has made a significant outreach attempt. There's high drama unfolding outside the Prime Minister's residence, where Leader of Opposition in Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi, along with other Congress MPs are protesting. They are on a dharna. Union Minister of State, Dr. Jitendra Singh, personally reached out to Leader of Opposition Rahul Gandhi. You can also see the visuals in them having a conversation with each other at the protest site. Accompanying the minister was the Union Home Minister, underscoring the government's effort to engage directly with the protesting MPs. We have Niyamika and Bhabtosh both getting us the live updates from ground. Let me go across to Niyamika first. Niyamika, we saw Congress MPs, of course, Rahul Gandhi, the Leader of Opposition in Lok Sabha, was leading them outside the Prime Minister's residence. These MPs are on a dharna. Take us through what's happening there as we speak.
Well, yes, indeed, the latest information is that Jitendra Singh has left from this protest site, but the Congress MPs, the Congress leaders are still here on a dharna. The sit-in dharna is continuously going on. In fact, we have also been joined by Mr. Saptagiri Ulaka, who is the Congress party's MP. Sir, what do you want to say? Now, the MOS PMO has also arrived there. He had a conversation with Mr. Rahul Gandhi. Will this protest end now?
No, we are demanding the resignation of Home Minister Amit Shah and Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan. Unless they agree to it, we are not going to end this protest. And it's a do or die kind of situation for us, and we will definitely be fighting till the end for it.
So are you expecting that there will be a direct conversation with the Prime Minister which will be done? This is the demand which the Congress party is raising right now.
I hope the first time they have sent somebody to discuss, and let's see how it shapes up.
Okay, so that you have heard, it was Mr. Saptagiri Ulaka of the Congress party's Lok Sabha MP speaking in types of, as he has mentioned, that this is basically a do or die situation for the Congress party. This protest is going to be continued till the time the Union Home Minister Amit Shah and the Union Minister Dharmendra Pradhan will give resignation from their respective positions, because this is something which is related to the future of this country, the way in which the youth was on the streets yesterday. There was a protest which had taken place, but the kind of alleged brutality which was being done by the Delhi police, that was unacceptable at all, and that is the only reason why they are holding this protest here, giving out a message to the government of India that the Congress party is standing with the students of this country, and that is the only reason why they are still firm on their demands. Even though the MOS PMO had a conversation with Rahul Gandhi, there was they had also listened to all the concerns which they are trying to raise by this protest, but the Congress party is very firm that firstly there should be a resignation of Mr. Dharmendra Pradhan, and then only this protest will end.
Right. So, earlier some Congress leaders were taken away from the protest site. There was a conversation between Jitendra Singh and Rahul Gandhi. Clearly, that has had no impact, no effect, because the protest continues. I want to go across to Bhabtosh as well. Bhabtosh, it's not just now limited to Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan. The Congress party wants the resignation of the Home Minister. They're targeting the Prime Minister as well.
Yes, sir, they have upped the ante. They now want resignation of the Home Minister, Home Secretary. In fact, this started with Rahul Gandhi going to Ram Manohar Lohia Hospital, meeting the students who have been injured in the brutality, and then carrying out probably the first time a protest outside the back entrance of the Prime Minister's residence. The police did try taking into detention Congress spokesperson Kanhaiya Kumar and few other leaders, but dramatic turn of events followed with Jitendra Singh, MOS PMO, coming here and speaking to Rahul Gandhi along with Home Secretary. But after 25 minutes of meeting, it appears that nothing has happened out of that meeting. It appears possibly that some kind of settlement has not been achieved. It could be what will happen next. One has to wait and see. Will police take into custody Rahul Gandhi, because this kind of protest might not last long because this is a very sensitive location. This is the Prime Minister's residence. It's always guarded by the Special Protection Group. If I can ask Tanveer to show the visual, that is Special Protection Group. Senior officials of SPG have already been stationed there. There is one CRPF personnel who is always there, but SPG senior officials have come here. Swati, you can see them. They're all present there because of only one reason, that Rahul Gandhi and other Congress leaders are protesting. You can see that CRPF personnel are also present here. What will happen to this protest? Will Rahul Gandhi be taken into detention? Because there is obviously there is violation of BNS. But Rahul Gandhi said the bigger issue now here is not whether the newspaper was leaked and whether
Right.
should resign. The bigger question is
Absolutely. Bhavtosh and Niyamika do stay on with us. So the protest continues outside the Prime Minister's residence. Earlier, some leaders were detained. Rahul Gandhi is very much on ground at the protest site, where we saw MOS Jitendra Singh reach out to the leader of opposition in Lok Sabha. They had a conversation. Perhaps soon we'll start getting to know the details of what was the conversation all about. Now the Congress MPs saying that they will not end the protest till the education minister resigns. They also want the resignation of the Home Minister, and they are targeting the Prime Minister as well. And look at the information we are breaking on the screen. There are people who have started regrouping at Jantar Mantar, the protest site. Thousands have regrouped, and leaders like Supriya Sule and Arvind Kejriwal have also joined the protesters at Jantar Mantar. Now, before I go back to our reporters, let's quickly also take a look at the reactions that we have. Congress party making it absolutely clear their protest will not end till the Education Minister steps down.
हमारी मांग सीधी मांग है, सरल सी मांग है। हमारे नेता प्रतिपक्ष लोकसभा में ने इस मांग की है, नेता प्रतिपक्ष राज्यसभा में ये मांग की है। गृहमंत्री आए, दोनों सदनों में बयान दें, उस पर चर्चा हो। जिस तरीके से हमारे लोकतंत्र और हमारे संविधान पर हत्या हो रही है, जो हमारे युवाओं पर अत्याचार हो रहे हैं।
road leading towards 7 RCR on the backside of 7 LKM have completely been blocked by the Delhi police. I can just show you the visuals. Various units of the Delhi police as well as vans of the Delhi police have arrived here. The police was completely caught off guard, one can say. This is a high security zone, and you can see that as soon as this presence was in fact noticed by the police arrived here. In fact, even on other days or occasion, there is a very heavy presence of the police. We are towards the backside of 7 LKM. And as soon as Rahul Gandhi, along with other senior Congress leader Priyanka Gandhi Vadra and other leaders arrived here, there was in fact a commotion. Mr. Masood, if I can speak to you, this was a protest that happened. Rahul Gandhi has said that he has no option but to carry out a protest at outside PM's residence.
इसके अलावा क्या रास्ता बचा है हमारे पास? कोई सुनने को तैयार नहीं है।
अगर आप कुछ और बोलना चाहिए इसके बारे में?
नहीं, इसके अलावा कोई रास्ता नहीं बचा। हमारे नेता बैठे हुए हैं अभी।
और कब तक बैठे रहेंगे वो?
अभी जब तक उनका फैसला होगा तब तक बैठे रहेंगे।
तो इस प्रोटेस्ट से आप क्या अचीव करना चाहते हैं?
नहीं, ये हम लोग लगातार बोल रहे हैं, कोई तरीका सुनने का नहीं समझने में आ रहा है। ये लोग किसी तरह से समझ पाए, ये लोग सुनने को तैयार नहीं
करना चाहते हैं इस प्रोटेस्ट से? That was Imran Masood. He has said कि हमारे पास अब कोई ऑप्शन नहीं बचे हैं ये प्रोटेस्ट करने के अलावा. He has said that they have no option left but to carry out this protest. In fact, if I can again Hina show you where this protest is actually happening. This is the backside or the backside of 7 LKM. You can see various. In fact, most of the SHOs of Delhi police have arrived here, and I can just go and show you. It could be possible that in next few minutes or less than an hour, Rahul Gandhi will be picked up, and they have in fact the units of Delhi police, including all special commissioners, have arrived here, and senior Congress leaders have also gathered here, and you can just see them arriving here, and vehicles have also came here, and it could be possible that Rahul Gandhi will be taken into preventive custody.
We also have Sabyasachi, my colleague, getting us more details. Sabyasachi, for the first 20 days when Sonam Wangchuk was on a hunger strike, there was no word from Rahul Gandhi. In fact, questions were asked on his whereabouts. Sonia Gandhi actually had to ask Congress leaders, as per reports, to show their support to back Sonam Wangchuk. Now Congress MPs all of a sudden turn up outside the Prime Minister's residence. They are demanding Dharmendra Pradhan's resignation. They are demanding the Home Minister's resignation as well. All of this, of course, after yesterday's crackdown, the violent clashes that broke out.
Well, absolutely, and also because the Congress Party, what the Congress Party is saying that they are not getting the opportunity to raise their issues in the Parliament, because in the first 2 days of the Parliament, they had the India Bloc meeting. In fact, in this meeting, they had decided that they want to have a discussion on the paper leak issue as well as on the Ram Mandir donation theft, and they have made their points to the central government, but they were upset over the fact that time and again, after repeated requests, there was no discussion taking place inside the Parliament regarding this agenda. And the Congress Party felt that if these discussions are not happening in Parliament, then what is the point? And that is the reason why we saw that Dr. Jitendra Singh was also here, and he tried to convince Leader of Opposition, Mr. Rahul Gandhi. The Congress Party wants that Education Minister, Mr. Dharmendra Pradhan, should resign from his post immediately, and also they want that in the floor of the House there should be discussion about what the Congress Party calls it as brutality by the Delhi police against the youth, against the student. Now this has been completely a hidden plan from the Congress Party. Now what we are learning from the sources is that all these MPs, in fact, the message was sent out for the MPs of the Congress Party to gather for the celebration of Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge. Now when these MPs gathered, they did not have the knowledge that they would be coming to the residence of Prime Minister Narendra Modi and holding a dharna. When they were gathered, they were sent out this message, and they were just told to follow the Leader of Opposition.
All right, so you're saying,
Rahul
one, that
Gandhi,
it was
and
not
others.
spontaneous, that a message was sent to Congress MPs to gather, but they did not know that they were going to take part in a dharna outside the Prime Minister's residence. Those are interesting details coming to fore. Bhavtosh, Niyamika and Sabyasachi, do stay on with us. Now, the Congress MPs have gathered outside the Prime Minister's residence where they are on a dharna. They have been led by Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi. But let me also tell you all about the Prime Minister's message. Amid the ongoing protests over paper leaks, one by a group of protesters by the students, CJP, as well as now Congress MPs, Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiran Rijiju earlier said that the government stands with the students. He in fact was also sharing details of Prime Minister's message at the NDA Parliamentary Party meeting. As per Kiran Rijiju, PM made it clear that government stands with the students and paper leaks are a matter of national concern and they should not be politicized. Prime Minister Modi also called for strictest possible punishment for those behind NEET paper leak and also emphasized that preventing such paper leaks was a national responsibility.